Most people think you need a huge paycheck or a lucky investment to become wealthy. But the real secret is something much simpler: compounding. This is the quiet force that can turn even small amounts of money into massive wealth over time. And the best part? Anyone can use it. Stay with me, because I am about to show you exactly how compounding multiplies your wealth faster than you imagine. First of all, what is compounding? Compounding is when your money earns returns. And those returns start earning even more returns. Imagine planting a tree. At first, it is small. But over time, it grows and drops seeds that create new trees. Before long, you have an entire forest. In money terms, your initial investment creates gains, and then those gains create even more gains. Second, the power of time. Time is the most powerful factor in compounding. For example, if you invest just $100 a month starting at age 20, by the time you retire, you could have hundreds of thousands of dollars. But if you wait until age 30, you will end up with less than half of that amount, even if you invest the same monthly amount. Why? Because you lost 10 years of compounding power. Third, compounding. With small versus large sums. Here is where it gets exciting. Compounding works with small amounts, but with larger sums, the effect is explosive. 10% growth on $1,000 is $100. But 10% growth on $100,000 is $10,000. The larger the base, the faster your wealth multiplies. That is why the wealthy seem to get richer and richer. Their money is compounding on a much bigger scale. Fourth, real life. Example. Let's take a real example. Imagine you invest $10,000 in an index fund, earning around 8% annually. In 10 years, it grows to more than $21,000. In 20 years, it grows to almost $46,000. And in 30 years, it explodes to over $100,000, all from the same $10,000 you started with. That is the magic of compounding. Fifth and last is how to use compounding to your advantage. To make compounding work for you, follow 3 simple steps. First, start early. Even small amounts grow huge with time. Second, stay consistent. Keep adding money regularly. Third, reinvest your gains instead of cashing them out. It is not about quick wins, but steady growth that snowballs into massive wealth. Remember, compounding is not magic. It is math, but math that works in your favor if you let it. Let's recap. Compounding is the process of money earning money. The earlier you start, the more powerful it becomes. Small sums grow, but large sums explode. Real wealth is built not by one big move, but by letting compounding work quietly over time. If this video opened your eyes to the power of compounding, hit the like button and share it with someone who needs to hear this today. And if you want more proven strategies to multiply your money, subscribe to Money Matrix and join the journey to financial freedom.